Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel Attemptelicious. Today I'm going to show you how to make Chinese sausage buns. 圈这一包.
First, whisk an egg with a cup of milk. Then add in 3 cups of plain flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and 2 teaspoons of yeast. Combine all the ingredients together. Knead the dough for around 15 minutes. Let the dough proof for 1 to 2 hours. If your house is cold, it will take slightly longer. You know the dough is ready when it's grown in size. Knead the dough for a few minutes to get rid of any air bubbles. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of oil and carry on kneading. Weigh the dough and divide it into 8 portions. Sprinkle some plain flour and then start rolling out each little dough ball. Place the hot dog in the center of the dough and start folding and shaping it like this. Preheat your oven with gas mark 5 as well. Mix an egg with a dash of milk and then brush all over the buns. Sprinkle sesame seeds all over and you're ready to bake. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. When they're done, mix some honey with water and brush all over. And that's how I make Chinese sausage buns. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.